Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0013 indicates an issue with the variable valve timing control, or VTC, specifically related to the oil control solenoid valve B in the Honda Accord 2023 and newer models. The VTC system is crucial for optimizing the engine's performance and efficiency by controlling the timing of the intake valves. If the oil control solenoid valve B returns an abnormal signal, the powertrain control module, known as PCM, will flag this issue and store the DTC for reference. The oil control solenoid is usually located near the engine's camshaft, and it plays a key role in regulating the flow of engine oil to adjust valve timing. Understanding the role of this solenoid helps in diagnosing engine performance issues, especially during conditions like acceleration or idling. This presentation will detail the components involved, causes of the error, and a step-by-step troubleshooting procedure for effective diagnosis and repair. Let's delve into the specifics of the DTC and how to resolve the associated issues. The variable valve timing control, VTC oil control solenoid, valve B, is a key component that influences engine performance. This valve adjusts the timing of the intake valves to optimize fuel efficiency and power output. It is typically located near the engine camshaft, allowing it to effectively regulate oil flow, ensuring that the valve timing occurs as required. This valve works in conjunction with the other components within the VTC system to provide smooth engine operation, especially during varying engine loads. When the PCM, or powertrain control module, detects that the return signal from the VTC oil control solenoid valve B does not correlate with the output signal, it stores DTC P0013 as a fault code. The PCM's monitoring ensures that any operational abnormality can be identified and addressed promptly. Maintaining the vehicle's performance standards. Several factors may contribute to the occurrence of DTC P0013. A faulty VTC oil control solenoid can directly trigger this error, preventing it from controlling valve timing correctly. Another common issue is an open or shorted circuit that affects electrical signals going to or coming from the solenoid. Additionally, a malfunctioning PCM may misinterpret readings or fail to relay information accurately regarding the VTC system. Poor electrical connections can further lead to intermittent issues that confuse or mislead the vehicle's computer. Furthermore, issues related to inadequate oil flow within the system can hinder the functionality of the VTC oil control solenoid and lead to engine performance issues. Each of these potential causes will need to be investigated thoroughly to identify the root of the problem. When DTC P0013 is present, several symptoms may manifest in the vehicle's operation. Drivers may notice engine performance issues, including a lack of power or sluggish acceleration. Rough idling can also be an indicator, where the engine does not run smoothly and may vibrate or operate inconsistently. Reduced fuel efficiency is a significant concern, as the engine may consume more fuel without providing adequate power, leading to increased operational costs. The presence of the check engine light on the dashboard signifies that the vehicle's computer has detected a fault that needs addressing. Additionally, vibrations during acceleration can signal that the valve timing is not functioning optimally, contributing to an overall uncomfortable driving experience. Recognizing these symptoms early can prompt timely interventions to rectify the issue and restore standard vehicle performance. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0013 involves starting the engine and monitoring its behavior under specific conditions. After starting the engine, it is crucial to hold the engine speed at 3,000 RPM without any load by placing the vehicle in park or neutral until the radiator fan engages. This step is important as it allows the VTC system to stabilize and potentially reveal any operational issues while under pressure. Next, you will let the engine return to idle speed while continuously monitoring any fluctuations in engine performance or any additional warning indicators that may arise. Finally, selecting the Honda Diagnostic System, or HDS, and accessing the EXVTC function will provide detailed diagnostic information concerning the VTC system and highlight whether the issues are confined to the oil control solenoid or are indicative of broader complications within the engine management system. In this step, it is essential to disconnect the VTC oil control solenoid valve B connector to begin measuring its electrical resistance, which can provide insight into the solenoid's functionality. By measuring the resistance across the solenoid's terminals while it's in a disconnected state, you are looking for a specific value to determine if it is performing within acceptable limits. A normal reading should fall within the range of 7.14 to 7.90 ohms at room temperature. If the measured resistance falls outside this range, it indicates a fault within the VTC oil control solenoid itself that requires further inspection or replacement. If the resistance is normal, it suggests that the solenoid may not be the primary issue, thus prompting a deeper review of the electrical circuits connected to the system. Clear documentation of these readings can prove beneficial for the overall diagnostics process. The third troubleshooting step involves inspecting the connections associated with the powertrain control module, or PCM, to ensure all systems are working appropriately. Before proceeding, it is essential to disconnect the relevant PCM connectors to avoid any unintended complications during the testing process. Following this, one should inspect both the input and output signals for open wires, which can lead to DTC P0013 being triggered. Resistance values should be measured, and ideally, you should find them to be less than 1 ohm, indicating a healthy circuit. Continuously performing ground inspections can reveal critical information about circuit integrity, particularly if connections are loose or corroded. A thorough examination of these elements is vital as they underpin the operational effectiveness of the sensor and actuator functions within the PCM's control scheme. The final step in the troubleshooting protocol for DTC P0013 involves a comprehensive inspection of the PCM's integrity after completing the previous checks. If all other components and connections appear to function correctly, it may indicate that the PCM itself is the source of the malfunction. This diagnosis involves confirming that the PCM is receiving accurate signals from all related components and is responding appropriately. If the PCM fails to properly act upon these signals or generate the correct output, it may need to be replaced. Ensuring that all other systems operate without faults is crucial before asserting that the PCM is at fault. Should the PCM be identified as the issue, it should be replaced with a verified compatible unit and reprogrammed to ensure seamless integration with the rest of the Honda Accord systems. Once all repairs related to DTC P0013 have been executed, it is essential to conduct a final verification process to confirm that the issues have been resolved. Start by checking if the DTC reappears after completing repairs, using the Honda Diagnostic System to perform a reset on any codes flagged during the troubleshooting process. Then, a test drive is necessary to properly assess the vehicle's performance under various conditions and speeds, ensuring that smooth operation has returned, free from any warning lights on the dashboard. During this test drive, pay particular attention to the engine's response when accelerating and at idle, confirming that there are no irregular symptoms present. Lastly, a final diagnostic scan will help confirm that the vehicle systems are functioning correctly. and that no new fault codes have emerged, ensuring the Accord is road-ready. Preventive maintenance plays a crucial role in reducing the likelihood of encountering DTC P0013 in the future. Regular inspections of the VTC system can proactively identify any potential issues before they escalate into major failure. Maintaining proper engine oil levels is vital, as oil not only lubricates engine components, but also facilitates the functioning of the VTC oil control solenoid. Monitoring overall engine performance through periodic diagnostics can catch inconsistencies early, allowing for timely repairs. Additionally, replacing any faulty components immediately ensures that the system operates as designed without introducing additional stressors. Lastly, addressing DTC errors promptly when they arise is key to maintaining vehicle reliability and performance, ensuring a longer lifespan for the Honda Accord's engine management systems. In summary, understanding the importance of the variable valve timing control system is essential for effectively addressing DTC P0013. Following the prescribed troubleshooting steps allows for a structured approach to diagnosing the issue, helping pinpoint the root cause efficiently. Ensuring the integrity of the powertrain control module is key to the vehicle's operational health and avoiding unnecessary replacements. Incorporating preventive maintenance into routine vehicle care can significantly extend the lifespan of crucial engine components and reduce the likelihood of recurring DTCs. Ultimately, resolving issues promptly not only enhances the driving experience, but maintains the reliability and performance of the Honda Accord over time. Thank you for engaging with this diagnostic presentation. Please feel free to ask any questions for further clarification. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.